how to recover your Google account step by step. My dears, the first thing you need to do is open your Google Chrome browser. When you open this app, you tap right here at the top right corner in this 3 points and tap in new icon tab. Okay, tap right here. When you start this configuration, now you can go in search type URL and write Google. It will show the main Google search page. You will must to tap right here, Google support account. Tap right here in Google support account and it will shows Google help. The first page it will shows. Tap right here in Google account help. And after that, it's very important you describe your issue. Tap right here and tap in recover my Google account or Gmail. It will show the first options, how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap right here and it will shows many options to you click. Okay, read all these things because each case is a case. So the first thing you need to know is how to recover your Google account or Gmail. If you forgot your password, just tap in recover your Google account, tapping right here in this blue icon, and it will send you for this page, account recover Google. So you just need to put your email or your phone number. When you put your email or phone number, you just tap in next and Google will ask you many questions, many particular questions to you answer. So answer all the questions and after that, Google will recover your account. So in another case, if you aren't try to recover your Google account by this method, you just need to turn back and scroll down until you find what situation is the best for you. If you forgot the email address you used to sign in, just tap right here to follow these steps and tap in this blue icon. Or if someone else is using your account, tap right here in this blue line. And if you can't sign in for another reason, you just need to get help to sign in. So you just need to select what kind of issue you are having. For example, oh, you forgot your password. And after that, it will show many step by steps. As I can told you, each case is a case. Because of it, it's very important you follow all this is step by step to you recover your account. I hope I help you with this simple tutorial. Do it paying attention. And until the next video, my dears, I hope I help you. Stay with God and see ya.